Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making these quick and easy gulab jamuns, so keep on watching. So for this I've taken 6 slices of bread and cut off the edges and cut the bread into small pieces. Transfer it into a bowl and crumble it with your hands. To this add around 50 ml of milk. Add it little by little and not all at once. Combine it well with your hands and knead it together to form a dough. Add some more milk so that it forms a nice and smooth dough. Now take a small piece from the dough and press it well and roll it between your hands to form a nice and smooth ball. Now once the balls are ready, we can move to prepare the sugar syrup. So here I am boiling 1.5 cups of water. To that add 1 cup of sugar and 3 cardamoms. Mix it well and boil it for around 5 to 7 minutes till the sugar syrup has a string-like consistency. Now fry the gulab jamuns in hot oil. Move it around a little bit so that everything is nice and even. When it's nice and golden brown, you can drain it and put it into the sugar syrup. Keep it covered for around 7 to 10 minutes and you can serve it warm and garnish it with some sliced pistachios. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.